Here we're given 2 points. X sub 1, y sub 1 equals negative 1, 4. X sub 2, y sub 2 equals 2, negative 5. We're asked to find the equation of the line and write our answer in two forms. In standard form, ax plus by equals c, and also in slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. So the first thing we want to do is use those 2 points with the slope formula m equals rise over run, y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. We're going to plug the values in for the ordered pairs to figure the slope. And that gives us y sub 2 is negative 5 minus y sub 1, which is 4, over the difference in the x coordinates is 2 minus a negative 1, double negative there. Negative 5 minus 4 is equal to negative 9. It's the same as adding negative 5 plus a negative 4. Over 2 minus a minus makes 2 plus 1, which is 3. So it turns out when we simplify that the slope is equal to negative 3. The next step is to use the formula for the point slope form of a line. Y minus y sub 1 equals m parenthesis x minus x sub 1. Now you know we just found the slope, so we know what m is. And we are actually given 2 points, so we can choose either one of those points to use in this formula. So first we'll use the slope, m equals negative 3, and for the x sub 1, y sub 1, choose either one of the points that we were given. I think I'll use negative 1, 4. Now you might choose to use the other point. You're still going to get the same answer when you simplify it, so it doesn't matter. Okay, let's go ahead and plug those values into the point slope form of a line. Y minus the y coordinate is 4 equals the slope negative 3 times x minus the x coordinate that was given. That's a negative 1. Let's clean that up. Y minus 4 equals negative 3 times x plus 1. Now we're going to split off in 2 directions. First, we're going to split off in the direction to get the standard form. Okay, so that's the form that we see up there, ax plus by equals c. First thing we'll do is get rid of the parentheses. We'll distribute multiplication by negative 3, and that will give us y minus 4 equals negative 3x minus 3. And then we'll bring the x's over to the left side by adding 3x to both sides. That gives us a positive 3x plus a positive y minus 4 equals negative 3. See, these cancel. And then we'll move the negative 4 to the other side by adding 4 to both sides. And they cancel here. We get 3x plus y equals 1. Okay, that's our standard form of a line. And in standard form, we usually like the a, b, and c to be integers, whole numbers. Okay, now let's go the other route. Let's get the answer in slope-intercept form. Okay, for that one, well, let's see. That means we have to get y by itself, but definitely we need to get rid of the parentheses. So let's just start at the same point we started the other one from. Y minus 4 equals negative 3 times x minus 3. Now, move the negative 4 to the other side. That's by adding 4 to both sides. Combine like terms. These guys cancel. We got y equals negative 3x. And then negative 3 plus 4 is a positive 1. And we are finished. So you see this answer is in the form ax plus by equals c. That's standard form. And this answer is in the form of y equals m times x plus b. The cool thing about the y equals mx plus b form, this gives us information. It tells us that the slope is equal to negative 3, and it tells us that the y-intercept 0b is equal to 0, 1. Finished, finished, done.